There's a lot of stress around parking, but it's now resolved with the parking pass again, so we're good. Alright, I'm gonna take a right. Yeah, you bet. I'm taking a right. I don't want to do anything today except just go this way for a bit. This direction. Hey, you little car, you stop there. It's cold down over this way. Yeah, it definitely is. This day is a real piece of crap, if you want my opinion. Excuse me. It's very cold over here. I'm not a big fan of it, actually. Don't mind me, but I'm in a mood today. But these people are just like fearful and ungrateful and so self-absorbed. Most of them don't even literally know what I'm doing or even look at the fact of anything except that I'm carrying a stick. And they're like, oh, don't come near me, I'm scared. You're bad. They look at me like this. It's like, oh my gosh, if you read my clothes, it says I work for the city. So that's my attitude today. Fuck you.